Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enable dark mode in the Mastodon app. If you spend a lot of time on social media, using dark mode can reduce eye strain, save battery, and give your app a sleek, modern look. First, open the Mastodon app on your mobile device. Once you are inside, look for the settings icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, scroll down and find the Display section, and tap on Display to access the appearance options. Then, click on Appearance. You will see options like Light, Dark. Choose Dark, and the app will instantly update to the dark mode theme. Finally, take a moment to enjoy the new dark interface. It's easier on the eyes and gives Mastodon a clean and stylish look. Especially when browsing at night or in low-light environments, switching back to light mode is just as easy if you prefer the original look.